Okay, so I'm getting ready to prepare some stew peas, but it's like vegetarian stew peas. Um, so I have pepper, I have onion, garlic in this. Uh, this is coriander. I have some white pepper, lemon pepper actually. I'm using okra in it as well. I have my red kidney beans, yeah. I'm using the can because it's more convenient. This is some cock soup, which I may not even use. And coconut powder has to be in the mix. And the ingredient, this is the chunks. I have some salted fish being soaked over here. So I want the salt fish in it because it's going to work like the way pigtail would work. Give it that nice little salted flavor. And I have the pot here, the fire with the water to soak the chunk in. So yeah, getting ready to make some nice stew peas vegetarian style. Yep. Alright, so that's the chunks. I'm adding some smoked paprika. Also adding lemon pepper and a bit of coriander. So I'm just going to stir this. Give it a stir. And I'm going to allow it to just soak in and add the seasoning. Right, so I'm going to allow it to sit for a while before adding additional ingredients. Okay. So I've turned the flames back on under the chunks. Over there, this is the white rice going on. So yes, just plain white rice with the vegetarian chunks. Alright, so I have the chunks over here, and I'm going to add some seasoning. So onion, pepper, garlic. I'm also going to put the kidney beans in at this point. So kidney beans in, get everything in. Not trying to waste anything, it's not that much. I'm just stirring everything in, mixing everything in. All the ingredients gently cook on medium heat, basically medium to low heat, so everything can soak up the flavors. I'm going to just cover it a bit, and then over here I still have the salted fish that I'm going to cut in small pieces and put in as well. Alright, so when I get back, I'll show you the ingredients in the pot. Check this out. This is the okra, nicely chopped. So this is the ingredient that's going in the pot next, and the coconut powder. Alright, let's see. Alright. That's going in the pot. Let us stir, and of course on low heat. So at this point everything is just simmering down. Oh, is really good. Alright, so I just put the okra in, and already it's getting that nice rich thickness. A little bit of slime from the okra. Yeah. Alright, so this is going to simmer down, and next I'll show when it's all done and plated. Alright. Wow, look at this. Alright, so all plated out. This is what I'm taking to work for lunch. Look how beautiful it looks. You can see the peas, the okra, the chunks. I'm not quite ready to eat, so I haven't plated any for myself to have right now. So this is what I'm taking to work for lunch for the next 2 days. Nice, delicious, vegetarian stew peas. Looks yummy. Alright, so there you go. The finished product. Really beautiful.